This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious toffee sauce using condensed milk. First, you'll need to gather your simple ingredients. Next, we'll combine them in a saucepan, ensuring even heat distribution. Continuous stirring is key to prevent any burning and to achieve that wonderfully smooth texture. We're aiming for a beautiful, rich, golden brown color, which indicates your toffee sauce is perfectly cooked and ready. Let's talk about the essential ingredients for our toffee sauce. You'll need 1 standard can of sweetened condensed milk, which is the base of our recipe. Then, grab 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to add richness and a smooth texture. We'll also incorporate 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar for depth of flavor. Finally, a small pinch of salt will really help to balance and enhance all those sweet notes. Now let's get cooking. Combine your condensed milk, butter, brown sugar, and salt in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. It's crucial to stir constantly as the mixture slowly comes to a gentle simmer. Continue cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes, maintaining that constant stir until the sauce thickens nicely and develops a beautiful, deep caramel color. This patience ensures a perfect consistency. Once your toffee sauce has reached that perfect color and thickness, remove it from the heat. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Let the sauce cool slightly before serving. It will thicken more as it cools. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When you're ready to enjoy it again, simply reheat it gently for a wonderfully smooth, pourable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.